wait, before we start, and I do understand, could we have a moment lang na, wag muna tayo mag-record para...
Hindi pwede. This is a public office.
Yeah. I will just talk to the...
Sige, Tony. Go ahead.
Sir, pursuant to the people ahead of you, the Secretary General is not around, not authorized to receive.
It is the office of the Secretary General.
How about
The
the deputy?
Secretary General.
Where's the
Wait.
deputy? Deputy Secgen.
Sir, I'm the Executive Director. I am the next in line.
Yes.
So you should receive. You should receive.
In the case of Bautista impeachment, it's the deputy who will receive.
Yes.
Respectfully.
Pagbati po sa inyong lahat mga kababayan at mga mahal po naming taga-subaybay. Ako po si Just Vlog. Rekta na kagad tayo mga kababayan. Breaking news po ito mga kababayan. Opo, breaking news na sa ikatlo na pagkakataon ay may nagsampa ulit ng impeachment complaint laban kay PBBM mga kababayan. At ito ay yung pangatlo ay matindi itong mga complainant dito mga kababayan sapagkat ito ay binubuo ng mga batikan na mga abogado, mga politiko, mga retired na general at iba't iba pang mga personalidad na kilala sa ating bansa ang complainant sa impeachment na ito mga kababayan. At mapapanood po natin itong video na kinuha natin sa Facebook page ni Attorney Harold Respicio. At inilive niya po ito mga kababayan mula doon sa pagpunta nila sa Office of the Solicitor General. Yung ba tawag doon? Solicitor General ba yun? Baka magkamali ako rito. Basta sa opisina kung saan ay pinapasa yung impeachment, yun na yun. Ang ibig kong sabihin mga kababayan, nagkakaintindihan na tayo doon. Hindi po tinanggap itong complaint nila, yung impeachment complaint na ipinapasa po nila sa opisina ng Solicitor General mga kababayan. Panoorin natin yung kabuuan ng bidyong ito mula doon hanggang sa maisagawa nila yung press conference pagkagaling nila sa loob ng opisina. Eto, panoorin natin ang sabay-sabay ang bidyong ito.
Yeah, pare. Hala ka, BBM. Magpapal na kami ng impeachment laban sa'yo. Andito kami ngayon sa House of Representatives kasama ang mga bigating politiko ng Pilipinas. Kasama si Chavit, Mike Defensor, si Atty. Topacio, at papatanggal namin ng ulo ng korupsyon dito sa ating bansa. Panoorin nyo siya, andyan yung media at ngayon ay magpa-file kami ng impeachment laban kay BBM. Yeah, pare!
Kasama yung ebidensya. Yung complaint.
Ngayon ang complaint ko. Mga complainants po. Opo.
We have former congressmen as complainants also.
Tatlong ko. Aso po.
Bob, kasama kayo sa complainant?
Oo. Siyempre.
Alright, andito na kami sa loob ng Secretary General's Office ng House of Representatives. Sana tanggapin ang aming complaint dahil required siya ng rules ng House of Representatives na tanggapin ang complaint for impeachment laban sa Presidente ng Pilipinas. Yeah, buddy.
Yes,
Alright, ang ating
Kumpanyero
head counsel,
Tama.
Attorney Manny.
yeah.
At makita ninyo sa inyong harap si Mike Defensor, si dating Congressman Paras, nasa ating likod si Atty. Topacio,
Dito rin si Cathy.
Cathy Binek, yeah, buddy. Alright. Alright, andito na tayo. Dapat nilang tanggapin ang ating complaint dahil required yan ng batas. Sana bumalik na si Secgen mula sa kanyang lunch. At kasama natin si Atty. Topacio dito sa likod yan ng ating tagapagtanggol.
Go, mauna ka, go. Kamusta po kayo? Pakyaw.
Ito si Gob Chavit Ebery.
Dito yan sa loob, please.
Nasa yung papareceive.
Hindi ko na lang.
Panyero,
Ayun.
ikaw
Pinafile na natin.
Baka mabasa yung ating complaint.
Dito sa Secretary General's Office, ang impeachment
Dito pa yung complaint.
na magtatanggal ng ulo ng korupsyon sa Pilipinas. Kasama ang mga bigating politiko ng ating bansa si Chavit, dating congressman na Mr. Paras, Attorney Ferdy Topacio, mga bigating general, Mike Defensori Ebery. Alright.
Complaint. Isar Pasu. Original.
At, siguro, ano ka? Oo nga.
And then, yung affidavits natin. And,
Hindi natin muna papakita. Ito muna natin papakita. Ito muna ang hindi pag...
Yung dito na yung mga tao ko rin. Puta ka nga, walang makita matira. Ulos project.
Hindi, mas madami ka pang hawak. Marami. Hindi, ito na yung mga copies. Ilang text to?
Go, ito yung ebidensya natin.
Kanina, naunang nag-file yung Makabayan Block ng kanilang impeachment complaint, kaso nga lang hindi tinanggap dahil daw wala si Sec Gen dito. Pero sir, tapos na ang lunch break, bumalik ka na dito at tanggapin mo na ang aming complaint. Hindi mo pwedeng tanggihan ng complaint namin dahil ministerial duty mo yan. Wala kang discretion na mag-decline na tumanggap ng aming complaint. At kung wala ka man dito sa office at hindi ka pa tapos mag-lunch, dapat meron kang tauhan na papalit sa'yo na tumanggap. Hindi pwede. Dinidiskartehan mo kami.
Anong Alice? Alice A muna. Teka.
General Garcia, one of the lead counsels, Attorney Manny Luna, one of the complainants, Kathy. All right.
Tawagan mo agad importante sa ano.
Alice A yung endorsement. Alice B is the
Complainants as well, ma'am. Complainant. Yep, one of the complainants. Yeah, buddy. All right.
sa plastic.
At ako tinatawag.
Di ba? So, Alice C.
Mukhang tatanggapin ng complaint natin, ha? Tatanggapin kayang complaint natin. Hindi katulad ng ginawa nila sa Makabayan Block kaninang umaga, na hindi nila tinanggap yung complaint dahil wala daw si Sec Gen. Tamang-tamang timing natin, sana tapos na ang kanyang lunch at tatanggapin na nila ang ating complaint. Hindi pwedeng hindi tanggapin ang ating complaint dahil kapag hindi tinanggap ngayong araw na ito, ang gagawin nila ay i-forestall nila ang complaint na to at pagbibigyan nila, palusutin nila yung walang kwentang complaint na ipinasa earlier. Sabi ng Supreme Court, hindi nila pwedeng sabihin na merong prior complaint na ipinasa na para tanggihan ng aming complaint dahil ang complaint ay initiated lamang kapag na-refer na sa committee ang complaint. Hindi pa na-refer sa committee. Magko-convene pa lang ang Congress, House of Representatives sa Monday. At pwede pa nilang tanggapin ang aming complaint. At dapat nilang tanggapin ang aming complaint dahil kung hindi tinutupad ng Secretary General ang kanyang trabaho. Tulad ng hindi niya pagtupad kaninang umaga sa trabaho niya sa pagtanggi ng pagtanggap niya ng complaint ng Makabayan Block. Yeah, buddy. Tignan natin kung balik na from lunch si Secretary General. Alright.
Kahit pati assist.
Okay.
Yung coffee, tanggalin ng coffee, mabasa yung papel. It's dangerous.
Sino po mag-receive?
Ito yung pinaka-substantive na complaint na ipinasa so far dahil ito ang pinaghirapan ng mga bigating mga legal minds and politicians sa Pilipinas. Hindi katulad ng mga complaint na unang ipinasa na 4 pages lamang at halata lamang na ginawa para i-forestall yung mga substantive complaint na katulad nito.
This is a 44-page complaint.
Yeah, buddy.
with thousands of annexes.
Yep. Dahil kapag hindi nila pinalusot ito at ang pinalusot lang nila ay yung walang kwentang 4-page complaint, ibig sabihin, dinidiskartehan tayo ng mga loko-lokong ito.
In other words, alam na this.
Yeah. We have the best lawyers and best folks and politicians dito sa ating group. At hindi nila pwedeng tanggihan, katulad ng pagtanggi nila ng Makabayan Block complaints kaninang umaga. So, Secretary General, finish your lunch and come and receive our complaint. Please. Ministerial duty po yan. Hindi po yan discretionary. Required po yan sa rules ng House of Representatives na tanggapin ang aming complaint.
Yes, sir.
On our side,
Hello everyone. Say hi sa ating 2,500 viewers live. Yeah, buddy! Alright. The historic complaint being filed dito sa Secretary General's office ng House of Representatives against sa ulo ng korupsyon ng Pilipinas.
Kasi dati, pag sa si Mikey, di ba nung pandemic, di ba? Oo. Pinanulo tayo lagi sa walking kasi umiikot tayo.
Labor mo, labor.
Oo. Bilaan.
Ayun, wala na, magdalize this. Sige nyo na.
Sure.
Dito ka.
Alright. Go ahead, boss.
Wait, before we start, and I do understand, could we have a moment lang na, wag muna tayo mag-record para...
Hindi pwede.
Ay.
This is a public office.
Yeah. I will just talk to the...
Sige, Tony. Go ahead.
Sir, pursuant to the people ahead of you, the Secretary General is not around, not authorized to receive.
It is the office of the Secretary General,
How about
not the
the deputy?
Secretary General.
where's the
himself.
deputy? Deputy Secgen.
Sir, I'm the Executive Director. I am the next in line.
Yes.
Oh, so you should receive.
Receive.
You should receive.
In the case of Bautista impeachment, it's the deputy who will receive.
Yes.
Respectfully. Okay, I'm not here to argue. I don't wish to.
Sa kakampi natin to.
Yes.
I am just relaying my position. I am not.
No, attorney,
It's not an instruction. It is. I am not
in the position to
to receive it.
But in the case of the impeachment of former COMELEC Chairman Bautista, whom we impeach, it was the deputy
Yes.
who received our impeachment
The next in line,
complaint
the
in
next in line.
2017.
Yes, the next in line.
There is already a precedence in the House.
I would have to say
Please check the records.
I am not arguing. Sir.
Okay.
I am not arguing.
Thank you.
I am not even raising my voice. Sir.
Thank you.
I am just manifesting.
Okay.
I am not authorized to receive the document.
Attorney, may question.
Wow. For the record.
Ako sir, I'm just saying, I'm not arguing, sir.
No, it's okay.
Wow. What's your...
Attorney, question lang. Can it be received ministerially lang? Kahit not you, but
Because it's
someone?
ministerial.
No, sir.
No one is allowed.
Again, the previous people have tried.
Okay.
I have nicely...
But why did you receive the first one?
No, I have not received.
Hindi, bakit nga? What is the legal basis?
Wala naman dito
No,
siya
we're not arguing.
No, which one, sir?
Merong first impeachment
procedure
na nandun na sa office kay Attorney Jesus.
She was here, sir.
Okay.
So, ibig mo sabihin, by the simple expedient of not being here, hindi kayo pwede mag-receive? Is that your stand?
Sir, I'm just saying.
I'm not authorized.
I'm not arguing, I'm asking you. I want an answer.
talaga boses.
I'm just manifesting. I do not have the authority to receive.
Yeah, but attorney,
What is your
even
basis?
the office ka na.
Yes, sir. If I cannot, and pababa din, wala din.
Wala din. Okay,
What is
okay
your
lang.
basis? As a lawyer, we are both lawyers, you have to tell me what your legal authority
Yeah, buddy.
Sir, I'm just manifesting. And
Wow.
that's all.
Up to what level yung may authority sa office of the section?
Can you assure us na wala kayong gagawin to block our filing when we return on Monday? Like
Pag nandito na yan, sige.
impeachment complaint that you already received.
Obviously, sir, that is not within my...
Hindi siya yan.
It's not my office, sir.
Hindi, ang tanong lang, so number one, you're not authorized. Number two, the office is not authorized. Number 3, sabi mo si Attorney De Jesus was allowed because nandito si Secretary Garafil. Okay, and then ang tinatanong ni Attorney lang is on what basis? Kasi constitutionally the office, not the person. So, ang authority na tinatanong ni Congressman Jing, SecGen ba ang may instruction?
No.
Anti-rest
Ano bang basis
hindi
nyo?
pwede yung ginagawa nyo.
Ano bang basis mo, Panyero? What is your basis? You tell us.
Hindi, pero sandali lang.
Tinatanong namin.
For the record.
Okay,
For the record.
Wait, number one, let's not badger people. I'm not here.
Sorry, if you feel that way. That wasn't meant to.
We don't,
Just answer the question para hindi ka mabadger. If you're
Ganito
not
kasi.
answering the question, we demand answers because we are citizens. We are paying your salary.
Ganyan talaga.
We are paying your salary, so you answer us.
For the meantime, I'm making a proper, even if you don't receive, by law we can proper the complaint and all the annexes, and that is legal. If you will not receive, that is deemed legally received by law.
We tendered it
Tender.
to you.
We are proppering and tendering it
Our complaint.
in under and by virtue of the Constitution.
Let me say, today is 2:18
Okay, si Attorney-
in the afternoon
si Attorney
of
naman-
22nd
I
January.
acknowledge the time is 2:11.
Yes.
Oh, sige, 2:11. Okay, sige.
Para kalma lang tayo, si Attorney naman is here to explain to us. Attorney, maybe better
Yes, kaya nga, explain it to us right now.
I will.
Upo muna kayo tayo.
Upo muna tayo.
Kaya sabi ko baka.
Ako muna tayo.
Para hindi tayo parang tense dito sa
Yeah,
Attorney, please sit down here.
I note your manifestation, sir. I note your manifestation.
But going back, Banyero, to my original question, what is your legal authority in saying that you are not authorized to receive? We want to know. We are
It
curious.
is a statement of fact na I am not authorized.
So you are saying that based on your own conclusion of what the law says, you are not authorized. Is that what you're telling this fellow lawyer?
It's not in the law. It's
Kaya
against the
nga,
law. It's against the law.
is that what you're saying?
Okay lang, sandali So sinasabi na ni Attorney, I'm not authorized. Is there an instruction, Attorney? No, authorized. Walang
So
instruction
that-
from SecGen, walang instruction from...
Okay, going to my next question.
Okay.
Since there is no instruction, you're saying that you cannot receive the complaint is based on your conclusion of the what the law says.
Wait, sir.
Pakalitan mo, sir.
These questions, what are they for?
We want to know because we are citizens. We are paying
And
your
it's a public
salary.
office.
You are a public, you're a public official.
Okay, one by one.
Under the Constitution, very clear that if there's an impeachment complaint and duly endorsed by
O sige, para maliwanag na I refuse to be covered by any media recording or anything.
Ano, this is public. Wala yan sa ano.
Hindi pwede.
Wala sa namin yung batas. This is a public office.
Public office.
Hindi to private conversation pare ko.
For manifestation's sake,
Okay.
I just manifest.
Okay,
I
go ahead.
am not consented to any recording or broadcasting of any conversation here as I don't.
Okay.
Our lawyer and co-complainant, according to Topacio, will tender the complaint.
Okay, let's
Hindi, sandali lang, for the record.
Oo.
We'll tender the complaint in accordance with the Constitution.
I note, I note for the proper. That's
Kanina yun, di ba?
I note.
Inabot ko.
Yes, sir.
Kanina
I
yun.
note for the proper. I said no. Para let's go through the motion.
Okay.
I said no.
Yes.
Para at least po.
Okay.
Nonetheless, we are tendering the
Attorney,
complaint.
just to be to be candid, syempre, because we understand na hindi ka naman yung authorized, but of course, as a group, we will also take legal steps. That's why may mga ganito lang motions. You understand na? So, thank you.
Wala pong sama ng loob. If that is what I understand.
So in fact, we feel sorry that you have to take the
We
fall
thank
for
you
this
for
video.
receiving us. So, maraming salamat. Kung may documents,
Yes.
Establish ko lang. It's 2/11/22 January na tinender namin sa iyo yung aming
para
verify.
kukumpletin ko na rin po.
Okay.
It was an attempt to
No, it's not an attempt. We tendered to you.
We tendered to you.
Para kukumpletin ko na nga.
galing na sa kanya.
Sige, let
You
him...
are here
To tender.
to tender. I refuse.
That's legal.
And you left a copy here in the office. You could actually leave it there. Para okay na po tayo.
Pwede bang ma-receive ba?
Is that satisfactory?
Okay na.
Okay,
Yes, thank you.
This
Thank
is
you.
what I
Thank you.
propose.
Attorney,
Di ba
pasensya
office, Di ba office hours nyo hanggang alas 5?
7 o'clock.
7 o'clock, okay. Since wala si Cheloy dito, hihintayin namin na dumating siya ulit.
Yeah, buddy.
Ako hintayin ko. I'll stay here until 7.
Sama si Cheloy. Tanungin mo ko sa
We will wait
Out of the country.
until
Anyway, thank you for that. Alam mo naman na,
where is the SecGen? Where is the SecGen?
Asan ang section? For the
Saan ang
record.
SecGen? Where's the SecGen?
For the record.
Taiwan. And in her absence, who is the acting SecGen? Sandali. For the record. Who is?
Isa-isa lang.
It's you. It's you.
There is no acting secretary.
siya ang ano.
Who's the second in
But you are
command?
second
Ikaw.
in command.
In this office, I am the executive.
Nonetheless, we are tendering and proffering our original complaint and the annexes for and under and by virtue of the Constitution of the Republic of the Philippines.
Kaya kanina ko pa sinasabi, baka meron kayong binabiolate na civil service regulation. Kasi you're supposed to be, pagka wala dito yung
Automatic.
yung
May officer in charge.
merong papalit, merong susunod.
Automatic.
Secondly, Panyero.
Wala.
Secondly, Panyero.
Bakit si Galapin? Nag-ano na naman, pumunta ng Taiwan.
Kung wala siya, the office is here.
Okay.
Second.
We have already, di ba? We've established yung, already. We already given it. Si attorney naman was kind enough to state yung legal basis. So, okay na tayo. Ha?
Hindi, gusto ko lang tanong pa kay
Ito si gusto si attorney, ha? Governor Chavit.
Sir, iikot ako.
Okay, Governor Chavit.
Ako iikot because
Isa-isa para ano. Si
si
Admiral Carlos. Carlos. Governor Chavit. Okay, si Secretary Menes Peron. Attorney Topacio. Hindi ikaw. Yung mas gwapo. Cathy Bina. And former Congressman Jim
no
Para.
introduction necessary.
Of course, Attorney Manny Luna,
I'm the
Attorney
first
General
complainant, former
Garcia,
Commissioner, Presidential Anti-Corruption
Pero,
Commission.
and sorry, Attorney Harold Respicio, Vice Mayor.
Complainant as well, sir.
Thank you, Attorney.
pero, Congressman Mike, di ba mayroong executive order that since there is a one China policy, restricted ang travel ng public officials natin to Taiwan?
Ibang topic na yan.
Kaya nga, hindi.
For the record.
For the record. Because, kaya naging relevant yun because the reason for the absence of the Secretary General is that she traveled to Taiwan. And under the one China policy, restricted government officials, even on private visits, restricted to Taiwan under the one China policy. May exceptions, of course, but tingnan natin.
Thank you.
Thank you. Okay lang. We understand.
So ano na ngayon?
And see you. You don't walk na rin yan.
Okay.
Ano na nangyari?
Yun nga. Anyway, binigay naman ni Attorney yung...
Enter naman tayo, that's enough. That's the legal requirement.
Tira, Manong? Let's go.
Iwan ang mga bigyan.
Bigyan na lang namin sa kanya.
Ay, Kong.
That's
No first mistake. Thank you.
Attorney, any quick statements, sir? 5K nanonood sa live ngayon?
Again, I am not consented to be on court.
Alright. Kung Mike, for the 5,000 watching live, anong statement natin?
Well, una sa lahat, si attorney was kind enough to come here and sabihin niya na hindi niya kayang tanggapin. So, itong opisinang to kasi hindi naman tao eh, but na office. Sa saligang batas, kailangan niya tanggapin talaga. And ito ipapakita lang na talagang yung na impeachment ay kalokohan at gusto nilang babuyin ang ating proseso ng saligang batas sa impeachment. Ito lang ang pagkakataon ng tao magreklamo, hindi ba pinayagan.
Attorney Topacio, any statement?
Yes.
Any statement, sir?
Well, I second I give my full assent to the statement of Congressman Mike Defensor na talagang sinisigil yung karapatan ng mga taong bayan na sila ay magreklamo. Tara!
Congressman Paras, ano po statement natin sa kanilang pag-refuse ng ating complaint?
Well, unang-una, wala daw yung SecGen. Nasa Taiwan daw. Unang-una, yung SecGen, she's violating the one China policy. Kasi dati siya doon na head ng NECO. What's her business there? When he sees work. She's supposed to work here to receive our complaint. So, dapat matanggal yan si Garapel. Tawag ko nga dyan, Garapal eh.
Alright, we're just exiting the office of the Secretary General and heading sa ating media para sa ating press group. Hey buddy. Forward, you can see former Secretary Defensor and Governor Chavit heading towards the exits. Having tendered the complaint dito sa office of the Secretary General na tumanggi, natanggapin ng complaint laban kay BBM impeachment. Yeah, buddy. Well, dapat required yung deputy na tumanggap kung absent yung Secretary General, right? Dahil paraan nila yan para mapalusot yung 4 pages na walang kwenta na na-file nung Monday. Para pigilan ang substantive na complaint na ipa-file laban kay BBM.
Sa may table na lang, sir. May table na lang.
Yeah, buddy.
May mga lima. Attorney.
Yes, boss.
At ang lang ako ninyo, meron ko yung press boss, kasama nga ako doon sa mga
Kasama ako sa complainant pero sila ang lead. Taga-cover ako ngayon.
diba? Chavit Sensors. Ayan po, dati po
Governor Chavit, ano yung masasabi mo sa nangyari kanina sa loob? Magkakasama tayo doon. Ano masasabi natin sa 5K followers natin? Live.
Ano maintindihan nangyari sa loob? Basta ako, bagong dating lang, galing ako sa Ilocos Norte, position ni President Marcos. Walang matino na project, puro ghost project, at puro siya nagsabi, maya kayo, puro pampak at guni-guni. Tama siya, sa Ilocos Norte. Wala akong makita, kagaling ko lang doon. Puro palpak at ghost project. Nasa Ilocos Norte, wala, probinsya niya. Distrito ni Sandro, saka si Barba. Wala akong makita, kagaling ko lang doon.
Let's go. Ito po ba yung
Maliwanag na naluloko na tayo. Yun ang maliwanag na maliwanag. Hindi na tumipisipan. Siya nagsabi, palpak. Siya nagsabi, he built 5,000 or 5,500 flood control project. Wala. Mag-isang pulisa. So, maliwanag ang presidente.
Yung luggage na lang sa luggage.
Picture.
O yung una mo, tinanggal, tapos anong nangyari? Sino unang magsasalita na? Wait lang sir, wait lang po. Guys.
So, kaninang umaga,
Mga mic lang sir, wait lang sir. Mic, defensor. Mic. Palipat, yan. Mike, pa-explain din ng ribbon. Impeach.
kalokohan niya ito nito ka.
Boy, paliwanag muna natin yung pag-file at ba, ano nangyari.
Kaninang umaga, nagkaroon kami ng pag-uusap ng mga kasama sa Makabayan Block na banggit na sa amin na opisyal na hindi tinanggap yung kanilang impeachment complaint. Kaya kami may prepared statement na kami tungkol dito sa ginawa dahil na-anticipate na namin na talaga magkakaproblema sa mismo pag-file namin. At katulad nga na nangyari at na-anticipate namin, gano'n nga. So if I will be allowed to read the statement, to be clear, distribute na lang siguro. The refusal of the Office of the Secretary General of the House of Representatives to accept the impeachment complaint is a clear violation of both the rules of the House and the 1987 Philippine Constitution. Under the Constitution, the House of Representatives has the sole power to initiate impeachment proceedings. The rules of the House explicitly provide a ministerial duty for the office of the Secretary General to receive and record impeachment complaints that are duly filed. There is no discretion given to the Secretary General to reject, screen, delay, or block such filings. By refusing to accept the complaint, the office effectively usurps the constitutional authority of the House itself and denies the Filipino people their only lawful mechanism to raise grievances against a sitting president. If I may repeat that, by refusing, it denies the Filipino people their only lawful mechanism to raise grievances against a sitting president. Impeachment is not a political favor. It is a constitutional right. It is the only formal process through which citizens, through their representatives, can seek accountability from the highest official of the land. To block this process is not merely procedural error. It is a constitutional violation, an obstruction of a lawful remedy, and a direct assault on the people's right to petition government for redress of grievances. The House of Representatives exists to serve the people, not to shield those in power from scrutiny. The rules are clear. The Constitution is clear. The duty is clear. And no office has the authority to silence the people's voice. Maraming salamat po at magandang hapon sa inyong lahat. If I may distribute this.
Sir, question.
Dadagdag ko lang. Yung impeachment complaint is actually a people's complaint. Yun lang. So, hindi kailangan pigilan ang reklamo ng taong bayan. It's a people's complaint. It's a constitutional process na nasa constitution natin na pinoprovide para sa ating lahat.
So, ano ba, wala na akong idadagdag. Okay na yun.
So, anong masasabi niya hindi tinanggap yung impeachment complaint? Hindi tinanggap.
Hindi, yun nga, sa hindi pagtanggap nila, it is not only a violation of the rules, but of course of the Constitution. At ang mas mahalaga, ito lang kasi ang paraan ng taong bayan na magreklamo sa nakaupong Pangulo. Hindi ka pwedeng mag-file sa ombudsman, hindi ka pwedeng mag-file sa korte. Sa ginawa nilang to, parang tinatanggal nila yung karapatan ng taong bayan na magkaroon ng maayos, legal na pagreklamo doon sa nakikitang problema sa nakaupong presidente.
May ginawa nyo rin ba yung ginawa ng Makabayan kanina na nag-iwan kayo ng kopya ng complaint sa Office of the SecGen?
Hindi.
Nag-iwan kami. Wait. Ako lang. Nag-iwan kami, pero hindi nila tinanggap. We attempted, and we have recorded every possible conversation we had with...
So as a copy of your complaint is not inside the Office of the SecGen?
Hindi nila tinanggap.
Sir, what are the grounds for impeachment and for what?
We will be discussing this at another time. Ang tingin namin ang dapat natin pag-usapan ngayon, yung mismong, kasi yung sa maraming pagkakataon sa Korte Suprema, may decision na about impeachment complaints. In fact, the recent decision was on the Vice President. At mabigat itong hindi pagtanggap, hindi namin maintindihan kasi hindi naman si Secretary General Cheloy ang sinasabi ng Saligang Batas. Ang sinasabi ng Saligang Batas, yung opisina. Dapat i-receive nila yun.
Sir, but very briefly, betrayal of public trust po ba ito? Paglabag sa konstitusyon?
Marami. Pero concentrate sa hindi pagtanggap, please.
Sino po complainant? Sir, iba pa kami. Parang kakanta eh. Sino yung ano? Parang kakanta. Wait lang.
Kasi ako pause eh. Our impeachment complaint encompasses almost all the ground except for treason and bribery, I guess. But culpable violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public trust, graft and corruption, high crimes. These are all embodied in our complaint against Marcos Junior.
Ano yung complainants, sir? Ano yung offenses, sir? Offenses. Ano yung offenses?
Sa ngayon, we will call for a press conference tomorrow.
Press con kami para
i-discuss yung details. Pero sa ngayon, yun ang statement namin. Ang hindi
Endorser lang,
papanggap-
sir. Endorsers.
Pati yung endorser. Kasi may endorser kami nandito. Pero siyempre, tatlo. Siyempre, nung nakita namin, nung na-inform kami na Makabayan Black, and may mga kasama tayo sa Committee on Rules dun sa nangyari, medyo nagulat na kami. In fact, nakita nyo naman, mali-malita yung dala namin. Pero kung ganito yung mangyari, napakapangit naman. Hindi maganda. Sigurado kami, yung first impeachment complaint is a scam complaint. At yung Makabayan Black, genuine complaint yun. Sinusuportahan din namin yun. Yung complaint namin is a genuine complaint, full of evidences, dapat tinanggap ng Congress.
Sir, sorry, bakit tayo bang i-divulge yung complainant?
Ayaw ni Jing ako mag-conclude. Pero pag-iisipan pa namin. Pero as of now, dapat it should have been accepted, period.
Sir, for the records, ilan ang...
No, they're not. No, they're not.
Sir, ilan ang complainants at sino-sino? For the record.
Can I read the complainants?
Yes.
Oh, yes.
Okay. Lipat lang muna. Wait lang.
Dito na siya, parang hindi na lang isa.
Attorney na lang pala lumipat. Para ano? Bribery, high crimes, graft and corruption.
The complainant in this case entitled in the matter of the impeachment of Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr., President of the Republic of the Philippines, Manuelito de los Reyes Luna, yours truly, Jacinto V. Paras, Ferdinand Estofasio, Michael T. Defensor, Harold Respicio, Mary Catherine Diaz Binag, and Virgilio R. Garcia.
Is it fair to call you supporters of the Vice President? Is it fair to call supporters of the Vice President?
We are not supporters of the President.
Of the Vice President.
Of the Vice President. We are not supporters of the President, but we respect the office of the Vice President because he's the elected official of the land, second highest official of the land. We are citizens of the Philippines and we are exercising our constitutional duty to file this impeachment to question the betrayal of public trust, culpable violation of the Constitution, and graft and corruption and other high crimes of the incumbent President of the Republic of the Philippines, President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr.
Pero is it right to say na kayo po ay pro-Duterte group na nag-file?
Irrelevant yun eh. Because this is not ano.
Tatanungin kita, kuya. Saan ka? Pro-Philippines? Pro-people?
I'm just
Yeah, that's why I'm asking the same question. I'm asking
Bukas na may
Can I just answer that? This is a people's complaint. This is a people's complaint. Wala. This is a complaint of the people of the Republic of the Philippines.
Sir, bakit?
Excuse us. Sorry. Tomorrow we will have
meaning of the ribbon.
Yung ribbon, please. Sir, ribbon. The ribbon.
Impeach. Impeach.
Impeach.
Actually po, this is the same color of ribbon that we wore during...
Sir, po na.
Hindi ko
Kaya na lang, okay na, sir. Okay na naman.
Nakaupo na yun.
Hindi ba, hindi kayo i-picture yung mic kasi, sir. Okay, go ahead.
Actually, this is the same color of ribbon that we wore during the successful impeachment of then COMELEC Chairman Andres Bautista Jr. Impeach to eh. Impeach. Yun lang.
Sir, bakit bawal pa i-reveal kung sino yung endorsers, sir? Bakit bawal pa i-reveal kung sino yung endorsers?
Ayaw ko nila until received, syempre.
Sir, anong particular act? Dali, picture, hawakan yung mga complaint. Oo, sir, related ba sa budget? Related sa infra budget? Related ba sa infra budget?
Lawyer
Sir, pwede bang sa complainants nila?
We would also like to thank Manong Chavit Singson for the moral support.
Moral support lang?
Complainant also. Yeah, syempre, moral support din.
Complainant ba si Igo?
Go. Complainant si Go.
Wala kasi siya, sir, dun sa listahan.
Nandyan. Dun sa, ano.
Mare,
Sir, wala siya sa
Governor is part of the
listahan.
impeachment of the complainant. Attorney Respicio.
Pwede ba kayo?
Alright.
Sir, is the complaint related to the infra budget?
All the budget. The entire budget. All the violations.
2023 ito.
Hindi, para lang, overview lang. Pakaganan yung complaint.
2023 JA, 2024 JA, and 2025 JA. Included.
we don't know.
Paki-forward yung complaint. Attorney.
Secret.
Takot sila, hinahala sila eh.
Upon the request, we have to respect their wishes.
Thank you everyone. Salamat.
Paki-forward lang yung complaint. No, the complaint, iganon nyo, medyo Yan. Hawak na kayo. Yan, padali. Yung complaint, pakimpleto lang po, Para
Lunch tomorrow, Max.
Ikaw na.
Press conference, Max Restaurant sa Circle.
Ano oras?
Anong gusto mo ng oras?
11.
Lunchtime.
Para umabot.
11 gusto nyo, 12 o'clock tayo.
Para umabot sa prime time, sir.
11 tayo. Kasi yan dapat para umabot sa symbolic.
Again, nag-office of the...
Sige, sabihan ko sila. Symbolically daw dito sa office, magtayo din tayo.
Oo, doon na lang. Sige, para mas...
Dito sa harapan ng office. Harapan ng office.
Okay. Sarapan.
Ganyan.
Symbolically.
Sir, may I request? Sir, pa-picture naman ng copy. Attorney, pa-picture naman ng
Doon na.
Sa in-ground.
Doon na.
Dito.
Pointless din eh. Dati!
Wala mo ng microphone.
Tanong ko lang, kaya ba ayaw nung banggitin daw yung mga names na mag-endorse? Kasi ayaw nila mag-endorse.
Sir, dito lang ha.
Ba't ayaw kong banggitin yung tatlo?
Si attorney hindi makita. Okay, ready. Ano slogan? Papunuan mo ng microphone. Wala ba slogan? Slogan.
People's impeachment.
Ayan, sige, go.
We are here for the people's impeachment
People's impeachment.
of Marcos.
Parang puro paus na kasama ko, no?
Ulit, sabay-sabay. This is a people's impeachment against Take three. Okay. 1, 2, 3. This is a people's impeachment complaint against incumbent President Ferdinand R. Marcos Jr. for culpable violation of the Constitution, betrayal of public trust, graft and corruption, and other high crimes.
Salamat po. Okay, thank you.
Let's come tomorrow.
I agree. Kasi nung nag-gusto ko yung Kabayan Black, sabi ko sa kanila, sabi ko, magpa-file kami, gusto niyo bang mag-endorse? Sabi, hindi, magpa-file na rin kami ng sarili. Sabi ko, okay lang. Sabi niya, sige, baka okay to consolidate. Kasi syempre, good faith lahat yung usapan.
Kanina lang yan, sir. Kanina lang.
Ay, hindi. Nung ano pa, nung nag-usap ko ng mga kabayan back, mga 3-4 days ago. Tapos kanina, nagulat ako, nagtawagan kami. Hindi in-accept yung kanila, hindi receive. Sabi ko, ha? Sabi niya, accept ko na nangyari. So they were, kinausap sila, katulad kami, kinausap din kami, that they were not authorized to receive.
Sir, your fear also is, sir, pag na-transmit ko sa Monday, makabar na po yung impeachment complaints. Hindi ako makabar.
Yes, kasi, alam mo, technically, pagka nag-receive dito, at hindi na-transmit kagad yun, at dun sa hapon naman, they are able to put it in plenary and refer to the Committee on Justice under the Constitution, impeachment na yun. That is
Initiated na.
initiated ng impeachment.
And sir, yung kayo po ba yung sabi kanina na substantially hindi po yung complaint, yung first complaint, at wala po kayong kinalaman at all with lawyer Andre De Jesus?
Nakita ko lang yung mga lagay nilang complaints. Pero wala akong nakita mga evidences on that. Yung nga, substantially baka kulang. So parang point ko, kung kunyari normal na procedure ko, all the complaints within the 10 days as mandated by the Constitution should be accepted. And then para yung Committee on Justice, if they want to consolidate, they want to take up another one, dismiss itong isa, di ba? But usually, like every other bill, if the bills are all about one subject, we consolidate it and we try to enhance the provisions. Ganun dapat ang gagawin. Kung talagang sincerong proseso yung ang gagawin natin.
Sir, anong dahilan bakit yung tatlo na supposedly endorser ninyo parang natatakot?
Hindi naman sila natakot. Sinabi lang ni Jing Paras yung kanina na, of course, lahat na mag-endorse matatakot naman. Kahit naman sino lumaban sa presidente matatakot. Pero ang feeling namin kanina, kung hindi ito i-receive, walang point na gambalain namin kayo. Andito sila. Nandito sila sa Kongreso sa ngayon at naghihintay sila kung ano mangyari. And like what we expected. In fact, makabayang Black is waiting for our call. Sabi lang, pag i-receive kayo, sabihan niyo kami. Siguro pag i-receive kami, mahabol din sila.
Kung ano na lang ba yung composition ng endorsers? Majority, minority, ano?
From what I understand, mix na majority minority.
Sino po mas marami, sir? Majority. Ay, sir, kung determined po kayo na yung hinain ng impeachment, pati pa kayo babalik sa Monday?
Walang point eh. Ako personal ko, I cannot speak for the group. Kasi, ang nakalagay sa Constitution, the Office of the Secretary General. Ano ibig sabihin? Kung bumiyahin siya, di ba? It's the office. In fact, it can just be received by any person.
Not a person.
By any person, and then i-return na kagad kay Speaker. At kay, sabi naman sa Constitution, under the Constitution, Speaker, within 10 days, dapat ibato niya sa plenaryo. Sa plenaryo naman, within 3 days, iba to sa Committee on Justice. So it's not the person. So for me, the fact na hindi in-accept, naman ako ba makaawa pa on Monday, maghintay dito eh. Diba? Even if they accept it on Monday, pag tinake up naman yung isa na, wala ka na din.
So, opposition mo, hindi na po-file? Opposition mo, hindi na po-file?
I think we have to study our other legal options.
Sir, kanina nabanggit sa young lawmakers, freshly term, neophyte lawmakers po ba ito? Unang termino ba?
Oo, freshly term.
Yung tatlo, sir, mga fresh. All three, sir, fresh.
Yung dalawa fresh, yung isa hindi na masyadong fresh.
Kayo na lang. So, hindi na po kayo magpa-file sa Monday? Or ano kung mas status? Iniwan yung complaint po kasi
Walang iniwan. So basically, sir, but you tried?
Yung lawyers kanina, sabi ko, ano po, pag iiwan, kundi parang malagi na mag-ibig
Okay, sir.
Sir, ano pong complaint? Kasi lumalabas ngayon, sir, na position ko, pag nag-file, tayo na next sa Monday, ibig sabihin, wala tayong tatawagin ng third impeachment.
Hindi, basta ang position ko, we will use other options, legal options. We have other legal options. Well, if we go to the Supreme Court, that's one legal option. Pero para pumunta pa ako dito and di ba, makasali pa ako dun sa moro-moro, hindi na, ba't ko pa gagawin yun? Hindi na nga makalakad si Ferdinand Pacho at si Bob Chago, tapos pababalikin pa rin ito. Ako, hindi ako. Pati na niyo si Ferdinand Pacho, nakarinig.
Kayo, sir, pero...
Ang layo namin, pinagalingan namin, oh.
Pero sir, marami kayo doon sa group eh. Pero yun, isa ka lang. I think yan ang magiging position.
Supreme Court.
Ay, nila maniwala na napilay ka na nga na nahirapan ka maglakad.
There's no file.
Tama ka?
Sir, ano nga ang grupo niyo before dito sa Congress?
Kami?
Spice Boys.
Spice Boys.
Basta ka tayo magkasama kami dito sa basketball midgets.
Yari nito. Spice Boys.
Last clarification.
Pero for the record, siya yung pinakamukhang bata sa dating Spice Boys. Oh,
Kasi walang
si Migs.
There was never a first impeachment complaint. Because under the Constitution, the first session day is Monday. Yun ang definition ng Constitution. There was no first, second, or third
Spicy
complaint.
pa rin.
Your complaint na lang, sir. Di nyo na po ipafile. So,
Hindi na. Ako yung
so wala na, withdraw na po.
Kasi tinitechnical kami sa first, di pa sila first ha, nauna lang sila. But the first complaint should have been the three complaints. Makabayan Blacks complaint, our complaint, and yung unang scam complaint.
Sir, for the record, hindi yun na ipasa.
Ha? Ito lahat yung complaint. Oo. Actually si Gov Chavit dun sa official namin, hindi pa siya nakapasok eh. Ngayon lang siya nakapasok eh. Actually kasama naman natin siya, hindi lang siya nakapirma no.
I-amend niyo pa ba yun, sir? I-amend niyo pa yung page 1 niyo. Kasi wala siya dun sa listahan.
Oo, kasi may mga dagdag pa kami kasama eh.
Kailan pa ipapile?
Public dito? Hindi na.
Paano sir, yung document? Meron kayo
What I'm saying is, as a complainant kasi, if we go to the Supreme Court, we have every right as a complainant here to be part of that. Kung gano'n ang option, hindi pa ako ayaw kasi pumunta kami dito eh. So we filed here. And as a private citizen, we can go to the Supreme Court and complain. So you're going to do that. Kasi di ba kanina sinasabi na first complaint lang yung dishes? Hindi. Yung tatlong complaints na yun are technically all first complaints because the first session day of the Constitution, of the rules of the House will be Monday. Tatlo kami. So technically, sabay-sabay kami pumasok on the first session day of Congress.
Clarification ako. Sabi niya, complainants isasama si Gov. Dixon. Ibig sabihin, saan dadalhin yan?
Hindi.
Sir, you mean, sir, ba yung pinifile a petition challenge sa Supreme Court challenging yung pag-block, it will include the former government? Is that what you mean?
Yeah, kasi sinabi yung as part of the ano, di ba? Is here. Pero pino-point out ko lang, it's a legal option. I still have to talk with the lawyers. Attorney Topacio is here, one of them. So pag-usapan pa namin kung anong gagawin.
Parang sayang naman, sir, kung hindi kayo mag-file.
Ha?
Kung parang sayang naman, sir,
Hirap na kasi Gov Chavez si Attorney Topacio maglakad tapos baka hindi rin pag tinanggap sa Monday, iba rin yung iti-take up.
Sir, pero bakit po kayo?
Can you imagine? Again, ang Constitution sinabi nga, Secretary General's Office. Walang sinabing Cheloy Garafil, walang sinabing Reggie Velasco, walang sinabing tao. Dapat tinanggap nila yon at i-refer kay Speaker. Walang discretion.